Hello everyone, welcome to Dirt Cop Dual Sport. So if you're new here, I'm the Dirt Cop and I'm normally riding my TW200 all over North Idaho, but today it's winter and I thought instead I'd do a little unboxing of what I got for Christmas. Now, as many of you know, I do all my filming on a GoPro Hero 8, but my wife decided that I needed an upgrade and got me something special for Christmas. So I asked her, and I didn't even have to beg for this. I just said, this is what I want for Christmas, and this is what I got. A new Insta360 Ace Pro 2, and I am super excited about this. So if you don't know anything about this camera, it's brand new, and there's all kinds of YouTube videos out about it right now. So we're looking at a 1 to 1.3 inch 8K sensor with a Leica Summerit lens, dual AI chips for superior image quality, and so it's got like this. So it has this great low light performance, which is what sold me on why I wanted this one. And gosh, there's just so much good stuff about this. So let's take a look. So my wife went ahead and got me this 2 battery bundle. So we've got the camera, 2 batteries, a standard mount, a mic cap, a USB-C cable, and the guide. Dang. Well, first let's take a look at this. Got a nice little USB-C cord. We've got the quick start guide. Hell yeah, some stickers. Waterproofing, what to know. Good. Safety guidelines and a warranty card. Got this little mount. We'll get to that later. See with this is a wind guard, and I'll have to figure out how that works. And now on to the camera itself. This is excellent. Wow. Let me see here. Remove the sticker before powering on the camera. All right. Oop, I guess that sticker too. And here's everyone's favorite part of getting a new camera. Peeling that off. So we've got like the display back here, but it flips up so that I can see myself when I'm filming. Right now I'm actually watching myself on my phone on the GoPro app. Alright, so if we're going to put this on, it actually just, it's magnetic. Look at that, right there. And that's pretty strong. Oh, another thing to peel off. That is fantastic. Oh, here's our spare battery. Like I said, I got the 2 battery pack bundle. Here's our power button. Excellent. Please download the Insta360 app in the App Store or Google Play to activate your camera. Oh gosh, I guess we're gonna have to take a break here. Alright, so I'm downloading it right now. I'm just gonna go over a few things. So this is the mic cover. Got video, pure video, improved image quality, low light. Shooting specs, wow. This actually is a lot smoother than the GoPro. Just slides right off like this. That, and then the wind guard just slides right on. And then you open up this, and you've got your connections and your SD card. Flip her over, and this is where battery goes. Then when you want to switch back over, you just push her out, and you're good to go. Something else really cool is that it comes with this built-in lens protector, and it actually is pretty tight, but it kind of just twists and comes right off, and you got your nice Leica lens there. And something I like about this, I'm sure they're going to start making some indie filters that just fit right on here, and it's something that GoPro's kind of lacked. Also excited about, hopefully this is not as glitchy as my GoPro is. It's always turning off, turning on, losing stuff. Oh, then I kind of showed this earlier, but there's these 4 little things right here. Now this has these prongs and these magnets, and it just goes on there, and you push, and it's on there tight, and you have these little buttons in it pops off. If you had several of these, you could easily just quick release and put it on and off several different mounts on your bike or on your helmet. Now, I have not had a chance to even learn how to use this, so this isn't going to be a video about that. I'm just showing you what I got, and actually got a few more things to show you. Okay, so when my wife ordered the camera, she ordered it from Best Buy, and she got the motorcycle bundle with it, which is really cool of her. But they told her both things were out of stock after she'd ordered them, and she got a refund. And then, out of nowhere, boom, this came in the mail, and we're gonna see what's in it. Whoa, a bunch of screen wipes fell out. All right, so it came with this sweet clamp. That's awesome. Man, that was a heavy duty clamp. This will go on any rack or your handlebars or whatever you can fit it on. Pretty awesome. Now, the camera itself won't screw into it, so it came with these. Oh, I'm sorry, I left those. These are actually cups to go in your helmet, wherever you want them. What it came with was these. Oh. All right, what it came with was this. This screws in there, it's an adapter. And, you know, just like a GoPro, fits right in there. We got also a couple of screws, a wrench, hex key, this guy. Got two of these guys. As cool as that was, we didn't think it was coming, so we ordered directly, or my wife ordered directly from the company, and was again asked for a motorcycle bundle. What we got instead was not that bundle that I just showed you, but a helmet chin mount and just a heavy duty clamp. So let's take a look. It's interesting that they'd send those different things. It cost the same. I mean, it wasn't a lot. I think both things was worth it, but yeah, that was kind of interesting they sent that. So this box, we got the chin mount, the mount extension, a manual, and two screws. Two screws, extensions, and this mount that actually looks pretty nice. That's a lot. I got one from Amazon last year and I never used it. I just hated the way it fit on there, and it didn't seem like it worked very well. This is a lot nicer, and you can see it kind of bends to fit whatever helmet you're wearing, and then it loops in. So we'll have to get that out sometime and have a look-see and mount it. Second thing that was part of the mount, or that was part of the motorcycle bundle, was the heavy-duty clamp. And you saw the clamp before, and it looks like it comes with the adapters, the clamp, the wrench, hex wrench, and a thumb screw. All right, let's take a look. All right, same thing. Just got the heavy-duty clamp, which is cool. I've got two of them now, and I'm excited to get going with that. Now, the last thing I got wasn't part of the motorcycle bundle, but we've got this cool chest strap. Now, I got a chest strap, but I bought at, oh wow, this is way nicer than mine. So I actually already have one I bought from Walmart, and just kind of a cheap, no-name brand deal. And man, this is way nicer. Way nicer clips. It's great that this moves around so you can adjust it to where you want it to go. So I'll need to put an adapter on here, but that's all right. I've got plenty. All right, well, hope you everyone had a Merry Christmas, and I hope you have a Happy New Year's. Thank you for watching. I'm going to learn a little more about that camera, and I'll get back to you with a completely different video about how I'm going to use it, the different settings I'm going to use, and optimize it to where I can get the best dual sport footage I can. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.